Solaire joined forces with AirAsia for PH's first corporate branded aircraft Sky Solaire. Solaire Resort and Casino, in partnership with AirAsia, launched the first ever corporate branded aircraft in the Philippines #, Sky Solaire. Solaire has reached new heights and sky is the limit. Last Wednesday, June 25, the Philippines' premier integrated resort revealed another first in the country, a corporate branded aircraft. In a one-of-a-kind collaboration, Solaire wraps its brightly colored livery on AirAsia's popular Airbus A320. Dubbed as Sky Solaire, is set to soar this July with an underlying thrust to further promoting tourism in the country and in our neighboring countries as well. This partnership will facilitate more passenger and cargo traffic in both regional and domestic flights and foster stronger trade, cultural and tourism ties within Asia. According to Solaire Resort and Casino's board of director Mr. Donato Almeida, the dynamic collaboration represents another step forward in an ongoing journey towards providing modern travel and leisure experiences for its customers, with a fresh new approach to their target market. This milestone is a key undertaking between two passionate brands with entrepreneurial and dynamic mindsets. This unprecedented branding project in the Philippines may be taken as a leadership statement, which attests to Solaire's strong growth momentum in the industry. "Yes, we are again raising the bar, this time we're taking it to the skies," he said. According to Jasper Evangelista, Vice President of Solaire's brand marketing, Sky Solaire is set to generate more hype and publicity until 2016 with broader partnership arrangements. This aircraft branding campaign is a strategic branding initiative which would allow us to literally take our brand to greater heights. We have created amazing moments for our customers since Solaire launched last year, and now we're aiming to further connect with our local and foreign guests and travelers by reinforcing our brand presence in the country's airports. Sky Solaire will enable us to get immediate traction on this effort and even take it to a level all its own, he said. AirAsia Philippines Chairman Mon Hontiveros said AirAsia Philippines is a sociable and innovative brand. "We also take pride on our collaborative nature. This new livery demonstrates our creative approach to partnerships and marketing opportunities, especially with companies that support our vision to grow tourism. We are thrilled to carry Solaire's brand in the sky and on the grounds at the airports here and abroad, extending to as far as our destinations in Malaysia, China and Korea." The Solaire experience is stamped with an unparalleled brand of service style, world-renowned Philippine hospitality, top-of-class luxurious accommodations, diverse dining options and impressive gaming facilities, which have all contributed to the way people view resort casinos in Manila. Watch videos below.